Right guys, in this video we are going to do the reverse parking, okay? And I should mention that this channel is going to be the one for all things Prius related. So if you're thinking about buying a Prius, if you're interested, if you already own one, or you want to know about its features and things, I'm going to be doing a deep dive into like each of its features, as much information as I possibly can. So do hit subscribe, and there's lots more of this coming up, okay? Now, how the reverse parking works is it looks for two cars, or one car actually. It just needs one car to work, and basically that's all you need. In this example, I'm going to use two cars, all right? But of course, it just needs one car to work, okay? So what you do is you get yourself next to the space that you want. It doesn't see lines, by the way, so it doesn't see the fact that there are lines on the floor. It can't see them. It only sees the cars. So now I'm next to this space on the right hand side. You stop the car and you press the parking button, and it detects back-in parking, as you can see right there, detected. So start going, no hands, yeah, just let go of the brake. Yeah, it says check the brake, go forward. You see the green arrows, steering standing by itself. The green arrows are how far you're gonna go. The green arrows over there, turning by itself. I'm applying the brake for the speed. So I like to go slowly. So now I stop here, shift to reverse. Okay, let's let it go. You've still got to look around, guys. You can't trust this 100%. You've still got to look around, guys. I'll tell you about that in a moment. Looking good. Stop the vehicle. Okay, so shift to D to adjust, or park to finish. So I'm going to adjust it. Let go of the brake. The car will adjust for me. Stop the vehicle. Reverse. At this point it says Park Assist complete, finished. So this is the finished product, okay. So let's have a little look around and let's see how well it just parked us. Okay, that was quick, wasn't it? Quick enough. Foot brake on. Close that window a bit, it's a little bit open. This one's a touch open too. The rest are fine. Pop it into the park gear. So this is how well, one second. So this is how well it parks here. It's not like 100% straight. It's a decent space between both of the cars. All right, let's have a look at the other side over here. So it's not looking at the line, don't forget guys, it's just looking at the cars. All right, if it could see the line, it might do a better job. But in terms of space between the cars, brilliant. Absolutely fantastic, look at that. Nice even space between both the cars. Now this type of parking, with this one, it doesn't get you back out of the space. Okay, so if it did, all I've got to do is press the P button again here, and as you can see there, it says exit parallel parking unavailable. So you can only exit parallel parking, not bay parking. Alright, it's not the reverse park. But yeah, there you go. It's as quick and as simple as that. It does need a car for it to work. Alright, just one car is required, not two. And you can't drive around a car park searching for a space. It doesn't work like that. You've got to choose or find the space yourself. Stop. So come to a proper stop at the space which you want to go for, and then press the Park Assist button. That's when it will scan to see what you've chosen, and as long as it likes what it sees, it will attempt to park. Now the negative with this, the issue with this, okay, because it can't see the lines, if you've not chosen correctly or positioned your car correctly, it may not park you where you want to go. Alright, for example, somebody I know had positioned their car incorrectly, and so the Prius here was trying to park on the wrong side of the selected car. Okay, so basically it was going for the wrong space, and where it was going for was actually not a space. It was a little narrow road for through traffic. So it was still going to get them next to the car as if it was in a space, but that wasn't a space, that was a road for through traffic. So yeah, you know, to be honest, it's easy. You just position your car correctly and it knows. Just literally put your car side on to the space that you want, literally side on, and then you are sorted. It's as simple as that. So there you go, that's the reverse park for you, nice and easy. This is a channel, of course, again, for all things Prius related. If you're looking into Prius, you're interested, hit subscribe. I'm going to have lots more of this coming up. Catch you in the next one.